I'm triumphant.
I'm joyful.
And together, we're both joyful and triumphant. Merry Christmas, Broknex. Happy ride day, Broknex. Just got done with work. We closed the shop down an hour or two early because it's winter solstice. We're going to go on the winter solstice ride. Shortest day of the year. Only get, what, 5.5-ish hours of daylight at the moment. But that all ends today. After today, it starts getting lighter for longer. Gonna go home, pack up. Got the Grizzly loaded up. Gonna ride the Grizzly today since we're still working on the beast on the Can-Am. The Can-Am's still in the shop. Be a great ride. Join us. We're gonna have a campfire and load it up. And got all my cold weather gear because it's a little chilly. It's 29 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius. Minus something, right? This is the 3 o'clock sun we got here. Actually, when I get away from this mountain, this will be a little better.
Happy solstice ride, Broknex. You're getting out here. It's 3:20 in the afternoon. Sun's about to set. So it's what it does when you get 5 hours of daylight on the shortest day of the year in Alaska. Could be worse, could be further north where they don't get any. So we didn't have anybody at the store today, so we shut her down. We're gonna go for a ride as soon as everybody gets ready. God's country right there. So we're gonna head up that way. We're gonna probably have a campfire, warm up.
Happy solstice, Broknex. Shortest day of the year. What is it? Like 1 in the afternoon, sun setting?
3:30.
3:30? Holy crap. We don't have too much longer till it's pitch black. We better go find a spot.
Can we
right
say
by
that these days?
Pitch black?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Probably not. What do you call Santa Claus with no pocket change?
What?
Saint Nicholas.
Do you remember the last time you wore those?
Yeah, I got
on a ride.
I swapped it. Here, hold my beer. Yeah, I submarined it.
Okay, we're gonna go to Long Beach and find a spot. Long Beach.
Long Beach.
Long Beach, Alaska.
We're waiting for one more. We'll see if he shows.
He's not here yet.
And it ain't Jim.
We have firewood. We have flight, drone. Oh, see? I do that every time. Oh, nice smooth. Boy, this is really nice. I like it when all these potholes fill in. Thought I'd try a different setting. I turned the microphone off on the Sena backpack, which means the only audio you'll get is from the microphone inside the helmet. Now, some people, like me, I prefer to listen to engine noise and all that kind of stuff. Well, let's see if it picks any of it up. Someone's been back here a lot. Pretty wide. Nice wide trail. Sometimes in the winter, it gets pretty brushed in. Oh. Whew. Like that. Oh, gosh. Yep. Like that.
Ow. 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 Not really. I was just going ow for the camera.
Ah! We need new goggle lenses. Wow, we're gonna do the one-hand thing and move stuff out of the way. I sure am missing the power of the Can-Am. But then again, on the Can-Am, I'd probably be sitting a good 8 inches higher into these sticks and trees. I can't use the force to move them. Oh, my goodness. Just a lot of wheel spin because of all the power of the 350, you know. An ill-advised plan. All the snow could, oh yeah, see? Oh boy. Just kind of looking down at the, hopefully I'm on the trail, tire tracks in front of me. Oh, woohoo! Made it through that. That sucked. Is he on a trail? Oh gosh. Oh. I don't think he knows where he's going, because this is not the trail. Ah! Ah! Woo! I don't think this is the way. Just follow the path of snow on the trees. Where the heck is he going? Okay. Just gonna have to punch down through it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ouch. Okay. I have no idea where I'm going.
River.
Just follow the red
Torn
river.
up by the quads. Going over logs. River.
Sorry about that, guys. Seeing a lot of pictures of the fuel tank of the Grizz there. Oh. All right. So we just spent a good, gosh, I'm gonna say hour and a half trying to get through, I don't know, about 100 yards of super thick downed brush, and we're working really hard. We're all sweating. We dressed appropriately for the cold, but we're too cold now. So now it's pretty dark, and I don't think I'm going to be flying the drone, but we came this far, so we're going wherever this takes us. Yeah, that was quite the adventure. Luckily, Derek brought an axe, and I brought a little handsaw, and we took some nature out of the way. All right.
The first thing I do when I get here, I almost got stuck by the stump.
Oh, well, why'd you go over there?
I didn't know there was a hole there.
Happy Ride Day, Broknex.
Happy Solstice.
Happy Solstice Day.
So,
Or is it Happy Solstice Ride Day?
Happy Solstice Ride Night.
But it's day.
Well,
it's
it
only
is
like
day.
4.
No, it took a... Oh, I thought it almost was 4 there for a second. 5.
5, okay, it's
5.
5. It's pitch
So,
black.
Pitch black, can't see shit.
We are in the middle of...
Can't see beaver.
No, oh, yeah. We're in the middle of nowhere, Alaska. Long Beach, Alaska.
And we had a heck of a time getting here. Some of the alders were over. We had to do some sawing. The normal trail was not... Seesawing?
Seesaw.
No, well, you
No,
see...
Cody was seesawing.
You see the tree and you
Cody
have to
was
saw
seesawing,
it.
yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's a nice sweater.
You like that? It's a Christmas sweater.
Christmas sweater, you know.
I got it for Christmas.
Most guys don't like sweaters for Christmas. I prefer a moaner or a screamer myself. But...
I'll put it in.
Okay.
You don't have to ad-lib it. I'll just put it in there.
All right. Hey, did you hear about the reindeer that would do stand-up comedy? He'd come out and he'd say, "This one's gonna slay you." Ah! That's a Santa joke. No fucking cops. Just yeah. So love you, son. Woo!
Love you, buddy.
Hope to see you soon, man.
Merry Christmas.
Woo! Woo! Merry Christmas. Woo!
Merry Christmas. Woo! America.
Happy Redneck Day.
Merry Christmas. Woo!
These are not scripted,
Not at all.
by the way.
Merry Christmas, Broknex. All right. Out. We're running out of things.
For now.
Okay.